It's high school musical.
Mimi, how old are you this today?
High school musical.
65.
Woo, getting old.
Not much younger. In the past lane.
The fast
God, I hate to open the pink box. It's so sturdy. Oh, it's me. Don't let her put that in her mouth.
I'm not gonna move it.
Oh God, what a beautiful card. Another beautiful. Isn't that pretty? God, so easy to do that.
What was funny was when I first
That is so pretty.
And used to make fun of all that stuff. Now you're doing it.
Hey, she even bought a green purse. I was
That's
so
what
excited.
30 does for you, baby. 31.
God, okay, that's the last time I ever actually.
Next,
Go to the mothers of all
Making
these
cookies.
Jews. She has something to hide. How cute! Listen, religious family in the dwelling resides. Go to the mothers of all the statues. She has something to hide.
It's a clue.
Oh, it's a clue. It's a riddle. You gotta
Where
find
you're
it.
supposed to go there.
It's a treasure
It says,
map.
a religious family in this dwelling resides.
Go to the mother of all statues. She has something to hide.
So which one is
That
that?
would be the Blessed Mother, right?
That's what I'm
Very good.
I'm just trying to hurry this thing along, you know what I mean?
Go to the blessed mother.
Try not to give all the rhymes away. Let her work a little bit.
What has she got to hide? The blessed mother. Wait, there's something back here. She is hiding something.
Okay.
Oh, look how cute. Got another note. Look how precious they are.
What?
It's another clue, John. I gotta go all over the house. I didn't expect this. It's a big surprise. Oh my God. It says, a talented son with a paintbrush in hand, go to the place where he drew your daughter Anne.
Oh, how cute.
This is too cute. I love it. I don't want it to end.
All right, Mimi.
A talented son with a paintbrush in his hand, go to the place where he drew your daughter Anne.
Why is it blue?
I love it. Who on earth thought of this? Oh God, this is it, John. I never saw
I see it.
I see it too, John. Here it is. Wow. Oh, look how cute this is.
I'm just cracking up over the stickers.
Yeah, I know. I just love them. Oh my God,
Did John make that?
this is a big surprise, y'all. I don't want to tear it up. It's so cute.
Is that a real book?
It's a real book. Look, it opens up. Wow. Maddie, what have you got your Mimi?
Open it up, Charlie. See what you got.
This is too much fun. I don't want it to end. Oh no. Hey, piano that plays music to hear lies a baby picture of a son who brings you government fare. Oh God. I know who this is. Oh God, I know who this is. This is too precious. This cold down there too.
Why are you taking that down?
Cause
Come on,
a piano
Get with the program.
I was thinking it was up here for some reason.
A piano that plays
The piano.
Oh my God, I can't get over this.
All right, let me get my Mimi.
Mom, this is a big conspiracy.
Boy, I'm telling you. I know whose picture to look for the note. This is precious. Oh God, it's cool down here, y'all. What you got to do? Turn the heat on. Turn the heat on. I know whose picture to look for. The government guy. How did you hide all these and I didn't see them? Oh man, gold. Wow, 4-leaf clover. Oh y'all, this is so much fun.
Wait, turn around, let me get it. It said treasures are precious, so I've been told. Go to the place you once kept your child of gold. Go to the place where you once kept your child to go. That's in here. Oh, my golden child.
You have to stay for 6 months.
Oh, God.
My
Jan said it was fool's gold.
These are the cutest things I have ever seen. Oh, my God.
I like playing this game.
This is the best birthday I've ever had. Look how cute all these things are. I don't want to tear none of them up. God, this is fun. John, what if they got me? What if you got me for my happy birthday? Look at all these cute notes. Oh, no. It said, oh, God, in the land of bows and bears, you'll find what you seek under the workers' chair.
Time to go to the room.
Oh, God.
John, do you know where it is?
What you seek under the workers. This is the cutest I have ever seen in my life. God, I treasure
Don't
this.
announce it.
These are precious.
Don't announce it.
Oh, God. How cute this is. Oh, my word. Listen, where do I go under the worker's chair? You can't possibly. Another note right here under the worker's chair. My ears hurt. Oh, God, look at that. How pretty that is. Wow. Wow. I
I think this is the last one.
You think so, John? John, I never had a birthday gift like this. This is too much fun. Oh, Lord, what does it say? It says, a man may be king of his castle and master of his home, but go to this room where he just doesn't belong. But go to this room where he just doesn't belong.
Now think, Mary, you tell me all the time.
Where do you not want Dad all the time?
In the kitchen.
Let's go see what it
A
was.
man may be king of his castle and master of his home, but go to the room where he just doesn't belong. Amen.
I'm not gonna wash the dishes for her anymore.
This is the cutest thing. Y'all gotta see these notes. These notes are precious.
Oh yeah.
Where are we going?
The kid. The whole family beats her to the. She's the last one every time.
Oh my God. I tell you something. The whole world needs to see this. This is unbelievable.
There's Bobby.
John, it wasn't the last note.
Oh! Whoa.
What? Oh my God! What on earth is this? I am so surprised. I don't know what to do. Oh my God!
Dang, I guess that's why you got taken upstairs.
Give it away again, dummy.
It's Cluso.
Calypso strikes again.
What do you say?
Ah, yes, I'm
Don't worry, I'm so stupid. I can't.
All right, somebody might want to move this cake a little over. Cake a little over. Is that a word?
I can't believe this. He said, how did y'all get this up here while I was down there?
Why are you moving the thing?
Who did it?
John, I don't know.
All right, so just cut it, Mom.
I didn't hear her reading it. I was worried about her falling down the steps.
Back here and open it because you can.
It's a Tupperware.
It's Tupperware.
What is it? Oh, it's a TV.
She's
Oh my God!
Hey, put it on the table upside down.
Oh, God, it's a
Upside down.
It's a flat
the
screen.
blind guy did it.
Bedroom.
all right! Oh, God, I can't believe I really got one! Wow! Oh, God! A baby picture of his son who brings you government here.
Look, did you
that
notice
baby.
this? What
Did
she's
you
got
see
on here, the
yours?
stickers? The Wizard of Oz.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Look at the front. It's a witch brew.
That is too cute. You could have done that any better. That is
Look at that girl.
precious.
She done walked. Uncle Charlie, she's coming in.
All right.
Happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear me, Mom, whatever. Happy birthday to you.
Cha cha cha.
Yeah, I'm getting old. I need to
cha cha cha, don't know, gotta make a big wish.